there. Hello. Is he friendly?
Huh?
Is he friendly?
Yeah.
Up, Frosty.
He is, let's see.
Frosty, be nice.
They're both checking each other out. Tails
Yeah.
are wagging, that's good.
Uh-huh. Is he fixed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Frost is not. That's why sometimes he kind of cranky.
Oh, really?
But he's friendly. Be nice, Frost.
Yeah, he might just want to play though. So
Yeah.
Good boy.
What's yours name?
Go Kip.
Kip?
He's Frosty?
Yep. Hey,
Good
Kip.
boy, Frosty.
How are you, Kip?
Good boy. All right, easy, easy. Smell each other.
Mm-hmm.
Want to make sure you don't get tangled up.
Yeah. Oh,
All
no.
right,
Oh, yeah.
all
He
right.
just.
See, no, he got a little nervous. That's
Yeah.
all. He's a little nervous with bigger dogs, so. Okay, good boy. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy.
Okay, Frost. Let him.
Okay, good boy.
Okay.
All right, you smell each other now?
Now they got the high five.
Look at that beautiful coat. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's growing now. Because the winter comes, huh?
Yeah, he got beautiful.
He shed a lot.
He sheds too, but not very. See, he's a little nervous though. Because he's not used to bigger
Hey,
dogs.
Kipper. Come here.
See how nervous he is?
Yeah.
Come here, Kip.
Come
Say
here.
hi. See, he's a little nervous. Good boy. He's a little nervous because,
Yeah.
like I said, he's not used to bigger dogs. Good boy.
Okay.
boy.
There you go.
Yeah, my son is going to take him for a run later on. Okay, relax.
Okay, Frost. I got having to get my daughter to school.
He's a beautiful dog.
Yeah, so's yours.
How old is he?
2 years and 7 months.
Okay, he's about the same thing. He's about 2 years, a little over 2 years.
Oh, okay.
About
Yeah.
the same thing. We rescued him. And he's
Oh,
pretty
nice.
good. He's good with. He's a little tough with males since he wants to play.
Yeah, he's got. Yeah, look at that.
All right, he don't want to play. He don't want to play. Okay, he don't want to play. Relax. Okay. Relax. He don't want to play. That's all this dog.
Let's go. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I know. He's beautiful. Oh my God. He's a husky.
Yep, Saberiam Husky.
He is gorgeous.
All right, let's go. Take care. Have a nice day.
Nice
Bye-bye,
to meet you.
Kipper.
Take care.
Nice to meet you too. Go. Let's go. Let's go. March, march.
Oh, what a stride.
Yeah, look at this. Oh, he. Go, march. No, we gotta go. We gotta go. Don't stop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, let's go.